Imagine waking up in retirement, seeing money hit your account without having to clock in, check emails, manage your business, deal with any of the BS when it came to working. It's not a fantasy, it's called passive income. And when done right, it could be the key to your financial freedom. Today, I'm gonna walk you through 5 ways to create passive income that keeps working even when you're not. I'm Bri, the retirement guy. We've created over 1,000 retirement plans, and I've learned one simple truth. The most confident people in retirement, they don't just have savings, they have passive cash flow. It's about designing a retirement where the money flows in consistently without trading your time to do it. Let's explore how you can build those income streams right now. Dividend paying stocks. Dividends are cash payouts from companies simply by owning their stock. They offer a consistent semi-passive income stream, especially when invested in high quality, dividend focused, blue chip big company funds. And this is how it works. They have quarterly or monthly income. There's potential for the funds to go up, and they offer inflation hedge if companies increase those dividends. Here's a tip though. Focus on reliable big companies you know of. We call them the dividend aristocrats. When you retire, make those dividends pay home to you in cash funds. Keep it tax efficient in the right account type. Here's a big one. Real estate income without being a landlord. We have many clients that say, I want to get out of the landlord business. You don't need to fix toilets, chase tenants to benefit from real estate. There are real estate funds out there that you could be hands off, that are publicly traded and transparent and pay consistent income. The best form of real estate ownership is direct, but then you have to deal with the headache. Or if you have turnkey rentals that don't need a lot of work and have low property taxes, have a property manager and get rid of the headache. Why does this work? Well, you get monthly income from rent. They're backed by real assets and real property, and real estate typically performs well in inflationary environments. We have a lot of clients that built their wealth with real estate. Here's a tip though. Don't put those real estate funds in your 401k or IRA because those are tax sheltered. Bonds? No. I call them the bomb. Bonds might not be exciting or flashy, but they offer predictable income and sustainability. Most people right now are in money market funds because they're paying well. That is a short-term solution and fluctuate down if interest rates go down. With bonds, you know your timeline, you know the income that is set to come out and the reliability of it, and they can diversify from stock market risk. You can ladder them, which just means stack different maturity dates so that they generate regular income and reduce the risk of rates changing. Don't buy an annuity. Most of them are junk. There's a few that might make sense. Annuities get a bad rap, but when used properly, the ones that have low fees or no fees and protect your principal are the ones to consider. There's many different types of annuities. There's immediate annuities like a pension, there's deferred income annuities, and there's fixed annuities that offer income features. Here's why it works for some. Some of them allow you to pull out more money than you genuinely would and take it out forever. It could fill an income gap from a period of time, maybe when you're not taking Social Security or your pension yet, or you can use them as a bond alternative. If anybody tells you annuities are going to outperform the stock market, run for the hills. I recommend working with a planner to determine does an annuity make sense, and there is no one size fits all. The other one is royalties, digital products, online income, something a little bit different, or even consulting. Some of our clients say I'm getting paid way too much to be a consultant. It's 1 day a year and I get to enjoy retirement. You could write a book, you could create a course on the things and the knowledge you've accumulated over the last 30 or 40 years, and you could license your intellectual property or software. Here's why it works. Highly scalable. After the initial setup of an online course or a consulting business, there's usually minimal maintenance, and it could potentially be sold, inherited, or even reinvested. If you're retiring from a career that you've had valuable experience, like most of us, consider turning that into a digital product so it's just rinse and repeat, collecting passive income. What is the best return on your time? It's passive income. It's not a buzzword, it's a retirement strategy. It gives you freedom, flexibility, and most importantly, peace of mind. Start with one of these strategies, layer them together, mix and match, and remember, the goal is income you don't have to think about. If you found value in this video, subscribe to our channel. I share weekly stuff designed for people who want clarity, control, and cash flow that lasts longer than they do. If you're ready to build your own personal plan, visit bmlwealth.net to learn more or schedule a call with one of our advisors. This is Bri, the retirement guy. Thanks again for watching.